Hello guys, welcome to Crazy World of Srishti and welcome back, and my life is really getting crazier day by day, and so that is why I have not been vlogging for a hell lot of time. Means it has been a month I'm not vlogging. So finally I decided to work and not work. Finally, I decided to vlog, and this is going to be a one take vlog. So, I have been facing a quite rough time. I shifted to Kolkata with my sister, with my cousin sister. She has got admission in Sri Shikshayatan College for first year of BCom. She's in first year of BCom. So I have been helping her to adjust in this crazy city of Kolkata, and because there in Chhattisgarh we have our own vehicle, in which generally we drive our vehicle and we go wherever we want to go. Sorry, um, but here in Kolkata, like, we have to ride bus, auto to reach our destination, metro. So like, it is quite difficult for her to adjust here. So as I have done my MBA, my graduation, I have worked here, so I'm quite well adjusted to this city. So I am helping her out to get adjusted here, as well as the time is going rough. Like, I'm facing a rough time, not going rough. I don't know. My English is becoming miserable day by day. तो जो मैं बोल रही थी, काफ़ी गंदा टाइम जा रहा है मेरे साथ, और वो गंदा टाइम इसीलिए जा रहा है बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स आर वर्किंग गाइज एंड आई एम नॉट वर्किंग. आई एम सिटिंग हियर with my books and I'm studying. I want to get into PhD and it has to get completed by this January or February. All application process, all the admission procedures, the entrance exam, everything. So, like, I'm quite worried, will I be able to score the marks that much, the marks which is needed to get through the PhD in the colleges I really want to get into, the universities which are my aim, because I'm not taking any coaching, I'm doing everything by my own. And so it's quite frustrating for me to sit and to see my friends enjoying their salary, their work culture, although I really don't like what corporate work cultures. So all, because at first I got into a company, a very good multinational company, and I left it because I wanted to do MBA. And then again, in campus of MBA I got job, but I didn't take it because I want to do PhD. I know PhD is my aim, and I'm sitting and I'm preparing, yet I guess it is the money which everybody is earning and everybody is self-dependent now, is actually troubling me a lot, because I am not earning and most of my friends are earning, and this 25th I have turned 24 and still I am not earning, which is really frustrating, guys. But as I have a particular aim, I want to achieve it, so I'm working on it. And it has been very difficult for me, like, to get up and vlog, because I was getting depressed for many reasons, for people working, for people going around. And I want to share, because I people going around means people going around with their boyfriend, girlfriend, enjoying time, enjoying weekend. And my boyfriend is living quite far away from me. We cannot meet daily, we cannot meet even on weekends. So it has been 1 month I'm in Kolkata, and we have just met just once, guys. So that is also quite frustrating, because I'm not able to see him. We are not able to talk or anything, because his work schedule is so difficult. He get very little time for himself, so I let him to get peace to do whatever he want in the time which he has earned actually. So he generally reads book and he surfs net, he plays video games, so I don't want to like trouble him by calling. So yes guys, these are the few problems I am facing, and yeah, I am really scared of giving exam because this is a very expensive exam. It's around 18,000 rupees, so I want to give my best shot in my first attempt only because I don't want to spend money on this exam for more time. So let's see how it turns out. I'm going to vlog daily and it will be of 5 to 6 minutes. I'll be like chatting to you because I'm not getting ideas. Slowly if I get ideas, I'll start entertaining you guys again. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Love you. Bye.